Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, we're going to be going over the free limited time assets that just came out on FAB, free until April 8th, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. And there's the Magician's Library Environment and VFX Pack, which has some really nice looking assets actually. The Loot Set, which is a hand painted series, so very stylized. And the Space Cruiser Defender, so very Star Trek outer space vibes. Let's go ahead and open these in Unreal and actually check them out. Don't forget to add them to your cart and purchase it for free. So the first asset we're going to be going over is the Space Cruiser Defender. So as you can see, there are a lot of hyper realistic space models and some really, really large ones in the back, and a ton of modular pieces that you can put together and all the interior. So such as this weapon system and these platforms, and these capsules or whatever these are, maybe some energy indicators, as well as a lot of screens over here that you can use. And over here, we have this overview of the map if you're in a galaxy or something. And then this kind of looks like a control room. So you stand in the middle, deal with all these monitors. And then you have a lot of indoor furniture. So you got your chairs, your desks, tables, and so on. And some really emissive materials on these, really glow in the dark, spatial vibes. You have your you have your cappuccino and coffee maker in space. Another control desk along with a really nice looking TV and a bunch of walls and doors and this giant engine thruster. You can see the inside's pretty empty so that you could modify this to how you like. It has the metal flooring over here. And yeah, that's the overview of the cruiser. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next asset. Next up is the Magician's Library Environment and VFX Pack. Oh, so they have a little demo here, and it is giving me... Okay, nice. So I can turn the page with R and T, and then Y is supposed to just let me cancel out of this. So there's a giant crystal in the middle, and a bunch of library books, and some platforms that you can stand on. Just a lot of little environmental art and VFX, kind of giving me like a Harry Potter vibe. Some staircase, and then you can see on top that there are some like moving drawers and a lot of VFX like these chemicals in the pot or some sort of magic stuff. Lanterns, fire, and so on. Overall, pretty cool asset. It says there are over 40 building props and 53 interior and mythical props, and then 7 fully functional blueprints, such as this ancient book generator, crystal VFX, and there's dynamic material and Niagara effects, and so on. There's also a hidden door with a dissolved material. So let's see what this does. So I think this is just a map. And yeah, that pretty much covers this asset pack. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. So this one is the Loot Set Hand Painted Series. This has over 100 models. And these kind of look like the graphics that are expected to be in some sort of grid-based inventory, kind of like Diablo 2, except these items are now in real time. So really cool looking asset. So they're not actually like your typical potions and bottles and stuff. These kind of look 2D-ish no matter where you view them from or where the lighting is actually. But yeah, overall, really, really cool asset. I do like this one quite a lot. And this is very stylized or hand painted in this case. So for example, this kind of looks 2D-ish from far away. And if I were to turn it around, still looks like a 2D painting. There's some coins, piles of coins, fruits, potions, keys, chalices, some gems and magical books, a lot of bakery items, sausages, and butcher stuff, a ton of loot and golden bars, kind of everything just kind of piled together here. And yeah, overall, really, really cool asset. I do like this. I do like these fab assets a lot this time around. And that pretty much covers all of it. Thanks for watching Code Row. If you want to read more about it, find trailers, documentations, Discord, and so on. Feel free to check it out on my website in the link below. Thanks for watching.